I'm going to use this one with a welding machine. This is a welding machine for the jewelry. The color is white and gray. This we want to enter monitor outside. So you can see the welding parts very clearly here. And the special place for this machine is designed up here. You can see this space is very big. So when the worker doing the welding job here is very convenient and comfortable. And this welding machine is with one outer water chiller. The outer water chiller compared with the in-bed water chiller is more stable and more easy for maintenance. This monitor is 10 times enlarged of the welding part. It's a colorful display, so can see the welding parts very clearly. No need to see the parts here in the screen. So like this is more convenient for the worker. Now our engineer is going to do one demonstration on the machine, welding the screws. Now start. Use the foot switch to press. This the foot switch, foot handle. See here, the welding is very clearly and the welding spot is very precious. This machine is specially designed for the jewelry industry. It can weld the real gold, cable, silver, and other metal material, etc.